Welcome back. We're now getting some breaking news on the broadcast. We're learning of Enforcement Directorate raids at IPAC office in Kolkata. Remember, IPAC is the political consultancy firm that advises the West Bengal government. The raids are currently also underway at the residence of the IPAC director Pratik Jain. ED is carrying out searches on at least 5 locations in Kolkata. Mamata Banerjee has now responded and reacted to this raids and called this unfortunate, hitting out at even the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, saying that he can't even protect the country. Mamata Banerjee said that is this the job of a Union Home Minister to raid the homes of IT chiefs of opposition parties?
The candidate list, the party strategy, the party plan. Is it the duty of the ED and Amit Shah? The nasty Home Minister? The naughty Home Minister who cannot protect the country and is taking away all my party documents. If I raid the BJP party office, what will be? What will be the result?
Okay, so Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, has rushed to the residence of Pratik Jain, who is the director of IPAC. Remember, this is the political consultancy that advises the West Bengal government, and she's currently at Jain's residence as the ED raids are underway in that area, at the residence of the IPAC chief, and also at 4 other locations in Kolkata where they are raiding the Salt Lake Sector 5 office of IPAC, and they have also conducted raids on the residence of IPAC founder Pratik Jain. We're now getting some more updates. BJP spokesperson Pradeep Bhandari has now reacted to these ongoing raids on social media platform X, and this is what he says. I'm quoting, "Why has Mamata Banerjee come to the defense of Pratik Jain? The raid will expose the illegal money trail of Trinamool Congress." My colleague Kamalika is joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, about Mamata Banerjee being present at Pratik Jain's residence or directly attacking the Union Home Minister, and now this response that's coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
See, right now, let me tell you that Mamata Banerjee has come out of Pratik Jain's residence, and right now behind me is Pratik Jain's office, and Mamata Banerjee right now is going there, and there also, like we have seen in Pratik Jain's residence, she went inside, she came outside, she attacked the ED and she attacked the central government, including the Home Minister Amit Shah, where she stated that if the Bengal government feels like if they start raiding BJP party offices, how will that look like? This is unethical what they are doing. That's what she has said, and she was carrying a green color file. Along with a green color file and along with a laptop was also there. So she was saying that this is a strategy of the central government to take the candidates and name and the strategies of her party. Now that is which is very much where she is attacking the central government, Amit Shah. But at the same time, this is unprecedented.
Yes.
That when an ED raid is going on, then none other than the Chief Minister of the state, Mamata Banerjee, goes there. 2019, we have seen that when CBI came to interrogate Rajiv Kumar, who is the present DG, Mamata Banerjee sat on dharna. There we have seen that police confronted them, but this has like crossed all the limit. We see that when an ED raid is going on, none other than the Chief Minister herself going there. And right now behind me is Pratik Jain's office, where Mamata Banerjee plans to go, and all the other leaders like Shujit Bose, local Trinamool leaders, they have also gone here.
Right, and this is a very strong and an animated response that's coming in from the West Bengal Chief Minister Kamalika, that you rightly pointed out. Even as the raids are underway, she storms into the residence of Pratik Jain, coming to the defense of Mr. Jain, who is the founder of IPAC. But we're also learning, Kamalika, that this is an old coal smuggling case over which these raids are being conducted. Is that true?
That's what we are coming to know from the ED sources, that this is a case which is more than 2 years old, some cold case, but there is no clarity on what exactly the case is. What we are coming to know that today from 6:30 in the morning, the ED officials, they came out, they started raid in 2 places. One is Pratik Jain's office, another is Pratik Jain's residence. Now we see that after 4 hours of this raid that was going on in Pratik Jain's residence, none other than the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee Banerjee. She went there in a residence, and not only that, right now we can see that behind me is Pratik Jain's office, and in this office the raid is going on. We can see that the entire road has been cleared because the chief minister is there, and also the other senior ministers like Shujit Bose, they are also there. So this is the area where Pratik Jain's office is, and this is the office of Pratik Jain. So here right now from the morning the raid is going on, and as we can see that this is the second place where Mamata Banerjee is visiting. This is definitely unprecedented. This has never been seen, that she is the head of the state, and she is totally blaming that if this happens, this is bad. That's what she's saying. She's attacking Amit Shah, Home Minister. She's saying that her party strategies, party candidate list and everything is there with Pratik Jain because he looks after the party. So how come the ED came and they are raiding? That is her question. Is she believes that this is absolutely politically motivated. On the other hand, we know BJP is strongly reacting like Pradeep Bhandari. We also know that Shubhendu Adhikari has also reacted by stating that when a central agency is doing such raids, how come and why the chief minister was there?
Well, absolutely, and this is not just a mere blame game exercise, not a mere tutu memo. Serious allegations that are being levelled by Mamata Banerjee against the Home Minister, no less, Kamalika, where she said that this was an attempt to seize all the hard drives, hard disks at the IT cell of IPAC, which is the West Bengal government's political consultancy. And that is a very, very serious claim and allegation that the West Bengal Chief Minister is levelling against the Union Home Minister.
Yeah, right now we'd just like to show you, this is Pratik Jain's office, and you can see that huge police presence is there, RAF is there outside, and the 11th floor of this building is where the IPAC consultancy goes from. Definitely, this is a very big allegation that has been put by Mamata Banerjee, where she's saying that they are trying to get Trinamool Congress election plan. That's what they are saying. That's what Mamata Banerjee is saying. And there was a green file in her hand which clearly showed that there was some documents which she believes that they have come to take. That is her allegation.
Well, absolutely. Do stay on with us, Kamalika. We will keep coming back to you. Very, very dramatic developments that are emerging from Kolkata. We have Rahul Sinha of the Bharatiya Janata Party who is now with us on the broadcast. Mr. Sinha, even as these raids are happening at the IPAC premises, various premises in Kolkata, an allegation that is coming in from the West Bengal Chief Minister, and she right now is training her guns against the Home Minister.
कोल घोटाला का सारे तथ्य उसी जगह पे छुपाया था तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने, और बड़ा बड़ा नेता का सारे कारनामा उस पे है, और इसी जानकारी से ही केंद्रीय तदंत संस्था वहीं पर पहुंचे और दोनों जगह में छप्पा मारा। लेकिन ममता बनर्जी इतना तृणमूल का मंत्री का घर पे छप्पा मारा, मरामत भी बहुत कुछ हुआ, तृणमूल नेता का घर पे हुआ, एक बार के लिए ममता बनर्जी पहुंचे नहीं, कारण उसमें फंसे तो वो फंसे। लेकिन राजीव कुमार का घर पे जब हुआ और यहीं पर जब हुआ, ममता बनर्जी दौड़ के चले गए और वहीं से कुछ फाइल उन्होंने लेके आया पार्टी का नाम करके। मैं समझता हूं ऐसा जब इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, इसमें कोई फाइल का नाम करके सारे अपराध का तथ्य को वापस लेके आना ये बड़ा अपराध है। इसलिए ममता बनर्जी को गिरफ्तार करना चाहिए, कारण वो पद का गलत व्यवहार करके उन्होंने तदंतों से सारे तथ्य चुरा के लेके आया। जो उन्होंने बोला ये पार्टी का इलेक्शन का है, उसका है, इसका है, जब पार्टी का इलेक्शन का है वो तथ्य जब इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है उस समय कोई नहीं ले सकते। इसीलिए मुख्यमंत्री का पद का दुरुपयोग करके उन्होंने जो किया, उनको गिरफ्तार करके इस जो
Okay.
छानबीन चल रहा है,
राहुल सिन्हा जी,
ये कोर्ट
बहुत
का
बड़ा चार्ज आप
निर्देश
कह रहे
पर
हैं,
चल रहा है।
टैंपरिंग विद एविडेंस का चार्ज लगा रहे हैं। ये जो कोल केस है जो 2 साल पुराना है, 2 साल से ज्यादा पुराना है, अब जाके रेड्स हो रहे हैं कोलकाता में इतने सारे लोकेशंस में। आईपैक के ऑफिस और उनके रेसिडेंस, प्रतीक जैन के रेसिडेंस पे भी ईडी की टीम्स पहुंची है। ममता बनर्जी भी, बहुत अनप्रेसिडेंटेड डेवलपमेंट है ये कि वेस्ट बंगाल की चीफ मिनिस्टर पहुंचती हैं वहां से एक ग्रीन फाइल उठाती हैं और ये कहती हैं कि भाई ये एक हार्ड डिस्क लेने का और हमारे पार्टी का सारा डेटा लेने का एक पॉलिटिकल एक्सरसाइज है जो अमित शाह करा रहे हैं, और आप कह रहे हैं कि वो वहां से एविडेंस चुरा के लेके जा रही हैं क्योंकि उनका एक पोजीशन ऑफ पावर है, वो चीफ मिनिस्टर है स्टेट की। राहुल सिन्हा जी, alright, big charges by the West Bengal BJP, where they are in fact attacking the West Bengal chief minister, claiming that she has taken away certain evidences while it's a live ongoing investigation in an alleged coal scam, coal smuggling case, which has the IPAC chief Pratik Jain also associated, and it does look like a rattle. The West Bengal chief minister has jumped to his defense, also come to his residence and also the IPAC office, claiming that this is a politically motivated witch hunt. Kamalika continues to be with us on the broadcast. Kamalika, if you managed to hear the excerpts of what the West Bengal BJP really is saying, they are talking about, and you were mentioning about that green file, they're talking about how Mamata Banerjee has snatched evidence from on the middle of an ongoing investigation and taken it away.
See, that is what the opposition, that's what the BJP is saying, that how is it possible when an AD raid is going on at that point of time that files can be taken, right? Let me show you. This is the car in which Mamata Banerjee came, and she has taken this lane. This is the office of IPAC, and Mamata Banerjee is expected to come out from this office. Right now she is inside the office and she has come here inside the office. Now that is also very important, and this is also very striking, where Mamata Banerjee first goes to Pratik Jain's residence, and after that she now goes to the Pratik Jain's office, and you can see that this is the car of Mamata Banerjee, and she has gone from this region, and this is something which the BJP is raising this question, that when there's such a raid is going on, is it possible that such a chief minister, she goes inside and she takes certain files from there? That is the allegation which BJP is making. Right now behind is the car in which Mamata Banerjee has come to the IPAC office. The IPAC office is situated in the 11th floor of this building, where the raid is going on from the morning.
Right, Kamalika, we will